Hey, my lov'bys, how are you guys? Okay, my small tip is, make your workout a priority. Fit your workout in every day. Don't work things around your workout. You work things around your workout because you have to make that your priority, because you have to stay focused on being consistent. You have to stay focused on being, continue to do it every day, right? So never put things around your workout. You put other things, put that workout in first, all the time. I never let no one interfere in my workout. I don't care what I have to do. I don't care what is going on. I don't care what time it is. No one interferes in my workout. So you have to make it a priority, and you let everybody know it's a priority. This is something that you have to do for yourself. Just don't fit everything around your workout. You fit everything else around that. You make time for your workout, and then you make time to run errands. That workout come first, and then you can do the rest of your work. Always fit that in. So that is my big tip for you today. Always work out first, and then everything else can come last. I don't care if nobody ain't dead and they call me and holler about I'm sick. That's the only time I might come, and then I'm going to tell you dial 911 in, because I ain't going to be able to get to you time enough. Dial 911 because I ain't going to be able to help you if you die anyway, right? So get your workout in. Don't let nobody stop that. That's one thing I don't do. People be like, let's go here, let's go there, come over here, do this, help me with this, help me with that. Work out first, and then if I have time, I'll help you. Because this is me. This is like my priority. And you know this, right? So people know my workout routine. They don't interfere in that, because they know, she go to the gym around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So I better talk to her before, or I better talk to her after. Because they know I don't do nothing until I get my workout in, because that's what makes me feel good. That's how I get my fitness on. So don't work your workout around everything else. You work everything else around your workout. So that's my tip for you today. Okay, I can gossip a little bit. I had a busy day today. I went to church. Then we went to feed the homeless, as we do once a month, every day at Yorba. And then I'm here to work out for 2 hours. And then I'm going to sleep good tonight. Take me a nice hot shower. Your girl go sleep good, because I always sleep good on my Saturdays when I go to church and I do like 5 or 6 things in a day. And then I work out. Your girl be tired. I'll be tired. This baby be making me tired. I'll be like, shit, I'll be tired. But nevertheless, I had a busy day, but I'm never going to let nothing stop me from getting to this gym. I'm tired. I got up at 6 this morning, but I'm here. So that's it. I love you. That was somebody calling me. I love you guys. Love you. I see you on the treadmill. Bye-bye.